Jackie back in another bottle flipping video, and I just want to mention Kobe Bryant and his daughter in my video because I've been absolutely forgetting to mention him. And so yeah, let's now get to bottle flipping. Let's see if I can land a cat first try. Alright. Thanks. Let's go with the hype. Maybe I'm gonna do like a backwards. In my head. So I think I'm gonna just try to do like a bottle flip, just like that. Not like that. No. Just like, I doubt I can cap it. No. All right. Come on, can I cap it? No. Do not expect to, like, do not. So I'm gonna see if I can do a bottle flip and then just, honestly, like off the wall, like, so close. No. Hey. I need to flip it more. See? I need to do like that. Oh, so close. High cap. I haven't been landing high caps in my videos lately. So yeah. Lefty cap. Oh, so close. Alright. Wow. You serious? Are you serious? I really. Okay, so guys, this is gonna be a short video. So yeah, just letting you guys know. So my videos in Arizona, we posted them late. I actually ended it. I'm done with this. We posted them late. I wasn't in Arizona anymore. So yeah, posted them late. Just, hiya! It ain't gonna work. That was nasty! I'm gonna land a cap to end off the video. So that'll be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, definitely hit that hit that like button and I'll see you guys in the next one in 2 weeks.